NASDAQ 100, that is the one with all the AI stocks that have gone parabolically up for 5 straight months. Look at that on that NASDAQ 100. That's that technology sector. We had a breakout that started back in 2023 on 3/1 of 23, and we had a 3-month, 4-month, 5-month breakout. Here we have another 5-month breakout, back-to-back bull horns, the follow-up in 2024 from the 5-month 23 5-month parabolic up. We had 3 months pullback. Now we have 5 months. I'm calling for a correction, trader. This has been a 5-month. It's a repeat of last year in 23. So we've had 2 5-month breakouts in the NASDAQ 100, and AI stocks have led the way. Otherwise, we wouldn't be up here. So we do know one thing. I'm calling for a correction, trader. It's coming very, very soon. Tech stocks will lead the move lower. The rally has broadened out. And let us not forget, 5 months up. I'm calling for a correction. It's coming soon. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Start trading with that Tommy Trader. That's me. Tommy Trader will be in that live trading room. We're going to be whipping them in, whipping them out. We're going to be whipping them all the way around, you and I. Let us not forget one thing. You will get paid because we give the entry, the exit, and the stop. Oh, yes. See what we do. You can believe what you see. So, 5 months up, 5 months up. The last 5 months, we had a 3-month pullback from that overbought level. I am saying that that pullback and tech goes lower.